Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful night last night. Looking for an amazing trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. Hey, let's head over to the MOJO Day Trade room and say hello to the team this morning. Guys, let me also get this thing set up right here also, so when I come back, see who's on YouTube. Right. Good morning out there on that YouTube. That worked. I am connected. Say hello to the team this morning. See what's happening. So yesterday I got lucky. I don't know what my calling was, but I got called out and I played golf yesterday. Last day of golf for a month. Not going to be able to get out of the house now. But hey, I was able to do it. The Florida club yesterday. I hit every fairway, I hit bullets. I had 20-mile-an-hour winds on 7 of the 9 holes. I was hitting bullets, 300-yard carries, boom. I said boom twice on the drives. One of them was over water, and the guy behind me said that was the sickest shot, man. I love when that happens. It's like a good trade in the room, and the guy said, dude, that was the sickest trade. I'm like, yeah, man. Freaking was, dude. I aced it. So this is what happened yesterday. I started out right here, a nice solid par with a beautiful drive. It's my triple check mark. I hit an L wedge from 25 yards out. I almost drove the green. I played from the golds. It was 332. I drove it 300. On in 2, little chip. The greens were fast as lightning. And I even parred. Next hole, I hit an okay drive. Then I hit an 8-iron, dude. 165. I was done for the day. I said, I hit it. I said, be the right club today. And it was the sickest shot. They were hitting woods from the fairway. They looked at me, I had an iron. I said, that was a sweet 8-iron. They're like, no way. Then the next hole, I hit a par 3. I hit a 6-iron right here. And then I chipped up with my L wedge 1 foot away and tapped it in. Next hole, par 5. I hit the drive of unbelievable. Wind 20 mile an hour in my face. Then I hit a 5-wood L wedge on in 3 2-putt. I keep track of every single shot. I take it out of my back pocket like this, my book. Take it out, and here's my card. I had to rip the card up and fold it so it fit in the thing, and that's my book. My notes, I'm going to take some notes now for the round. Here's a new page in my notes. So every round, just like trading, I take notes on the round. So I'll write 4-2. My last round was 322 a week ago. And that's being a master of the game. No, that is pretty good. 2 birdie attempts so far. I was hitting 300-yard drives. I was talking to the room. It's like, I'm on the tour with my room, I got another birdie right now. I was telling them I'm going up the putt, 15-footer downhill. I didn't make it. They're shutting all the golf courses down. So the markets are closed. Everyone's relaxing. It's a great opportunity, privileged to be on the MOJO Day Trading team, affording us this opportunity in life to work an hour or 2 each day and make enough money to live the kind of lifestyle we would like and to be a real professional. Best demo day ever for Soros, $1,000. So then I was I hit another 4, driver L wedge. Then I hit a 3, 6-iron, 185. Then I hit driver, hit bad one, but I crushed it to the side of the green. Almost drove the green again. A 40-yard chip. So I was even par going into the last 2 holes. And then I had this par 5 come up right here, dudes. This is the sickest one of the day. I hit a driver, star, 5-wood, 240, dude. It was all island, all water, and I just demolished. It looked 280, 300, but when I zinged it, it was 215 to the front of the water on the island green. It was an island par 5. Water all left, safe right. So I drew it in, and I flew it 225, pin high 245. Two putted from my birdie. And then I ended the round with a nice par, driver 9-iron, stuck at 160, and I finished with a nice 1 under par. Beautiful. And then last night I did research and I traded futures and I bought oil. And I traded the futures. See if I could log into my account. Show you my trades from last night and the research that I've done for today. So we'll see. And I told everyone last night I got some new picks, guys. I got some new picks right here that I'm coming out with. I'm going to pick the bottom, I told everyone. Right here. Right here. I said the markets are very slow. We hit our goals early. I'm going to be sending out a swing newsletter tonight with a few picks in the industry group that's due for a parabolic spike up. What industry group this morning did a parabolic spike up? My oils. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm always ahead of the game. I'll send out my top 5 picks: small cap, medium cap, large cap, and and we'll cash on all those caps as well. There'll be shall I be right? There'll be all the winners. They'll all be tomorrow's winners, and we'll make a ton of cash day trading them as well. So let's go over the picks that I had last night, okay? You ain't gonna believe it. So my first one right here that I picked last night, I have it right here, is USO. United States Oil Fund. The USO is 438. Right here. I don't got the corona, I just got a little scratch. Might have the corona. So USO right here, we have some beauties. We have a 114 million. We have a 94% increase. Target 5. Filling in this gap right here on USO. And it's oil. Excuse me. So that's USO. Let's put these in on in the room. List them. USO 438. Right now USO is $462. Right here, USO, beautiful. Put that one right there into the room. Over. I'll show you what's hot and not this morning now. My fave. Nice. So we have a bunch of excellent stocks today. I have a whole list of them right here, from APA, Apache, to Aware, Cars.com, Groupon. These are all my swing picks. So Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. This is a video newsletter. I sent out the email. For those who got it, you're watching. I'll resend out the video after so you see all the charts. But this is a midweek, because last week's newsletter on Sunday, they all did very well. I went 10 for 10. So I figured, hey, we're in cash now. Right here, April trades. We're in 3 winners right up there. Whoop. That's happening. So we have DDD unfortunately went higher. Oh, and we lost. This is a break even because it went 805, and I gotta fix that. But we only have 3 stocks, doing good on everything else. Have second stock. Dist. D-I-S-T. Vista Oil and Gas. Right here. Up 139% increase in volume. Right here, 139% increase. Company's got 86.9 million in the float. It was 793. It's $1.90. It's got this little gap to come up to. Love this little one. VIST, V-I-S-T is the symbol on that one. That's VIST put out in the room. This swing picks were amazing. Increased my account value by 20%. Beautiful. Now these are going to do the same thing as well. VIST. Right now, VIST is that symbol, V-I-S-T. And VIST right now is... Put that VIST in there. That was oil and gas. That was that one. Hold on. So VIST is... Oh, dude, I had the wrong one. Damn. Here it is, VIST. I saved it as US oil. All right, well, VIST is a good one. $1.89, $2.20. I just saved it as the wrong file. Excuse me. The next one I have up here, IO, Ion Geophysical, which happens to actually be like the #1 gainer today. This one right here, $1.16. It's got a lot of insider buying, 14.2 million in the float, and the symbol is IO. At $1.16. Let's see where it's at right now. So the other one was VIST. Now IO. IO is 277. So IO is up huge. IO is right here. Two set on 1.4 million shares. Came from $1.50 this morning. Looks awesome. Love it. Love IO. Love IO. Let's see the next one that I picked. ET. Energy Transfer Partners. 503. 15% increase. Look at all this insider buying right here. And insider buying here. Insider buying here. A huge company though. Huge. And there you go. They got this action right here. $5 a share. ET. Energy Transfer Partners. ET. Let me show you the trades I did last night on the my new platform. I opened up a futures account right here with Apex Futures. Cool. They got this Dom thing. I made like trading oil last night and the futures for both a green bounce. That's why I opened the account. Check it out. It's loading up. right here. Gotta sign in. Yeah, you usually gotta sign in, right? Here it is. Now I log in, that thing will populate. Check it out. So I made last night $1,512. Not bad. Made that last night. I traded EMS and oil and GCL. Right here. I could have traded more. Like right here. Here's the things. There it is right there. This is called the window right here. So what you do is really cool. You like put some orders in, like right here, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So as it comes down, it'll fill you. And then as it goes up, after you get filled, you put the here 1, 1, 1, 1, and you put a box in, see? And if you double click on it, it cancels it. You left click on it. See how it's flying up right now? Look at that. Look at that. That's a big move up. Watch. Big move up. I'm going to short it here. Look, I just shorted. Shorting more. Now I'm going to switch it to 2. See, now I'm up 50 bucks, 100 bucks, $100. Now I'm on the cover right here. Covered. Boom. Great trade. I just made 100. Right there, I just made $135. I just made right there. I just did where? I just bought and sold right here. That was a great trade. You have to do it fast. So I bought it at here it is. Oh, working buys. Let me cancel all. Nice. That was a good trade. You could see right here, I had oh dude, it went from $1,500 is what I had in there before. Now this trade went from it is. So I did those right here is the trades. I just made on that trade right there in front of your eyes on them futures. Where's my my boys got the cow. Oh, that was a good trade, man. So I made 1,687.50 minus 1,512.50. I made 175 on that trade. And now it's coming down again. You can see the chart right here. I'm gonna go back up. Damn, I should have bought it right there. Just got filled. Up 25, up 50. I'll sell right here. I'll make $50. Every bar is $25. See that? 25.50. I'm gonna cancel it and change it to 1. And I'm gonna sell 1 at $37.50. I'm gonna buy more down here. Box it like that. See that? Watch. Now I got it boxed. Or I got 1 down here. Right here. And 1 up here. Now this line is even. So you can see right here, this is the even line where you break even. And you buy here, and there's my sell right here. So it's a good vehicle right here. Getting used to this. I just did it last night. So I got this guy. His name is... What's his name? Apex Futures. I'll give you... It's a really... I looked into a bunch of different ones. Here it is. Joe at Apex Futures. Joe Broad. So that's his email, Joe at Apex. That's how it works, guys. When these things dip like this, you want to like click buy right there, like that. So now you get filled, all orders, and then you can look over here. It shows you got 7. So right here, whoop, look, you can blow it up. Right here, you could see it's that line right here is even on break even. All right. Anyway, there we go. I'm up 150. Here's the P&L up here. I didn't even see that. Here's where you can see your P&L. There we go. So this is open 24 hours a day. It shows you all the trades that have gone off at every one of these levels. The high level is actually right here. A lot of action went off up here. Very little down here. That's how it works, guys. So I'm going to close this. Let's get back to the stockies. See that, guys? You like that, right? You like that, right? That was good, man. What else we got going on in the room? Who's here? Mark, welcome. You made it. Basky. A lot of other people here that's not. All right. Welcome, everybody. Bloomer, Ben, Alan, Debohan. We're going to have a great day today, man. Now let's get back. Oh, I'm up big on this thing. Hold on a second. Well, I can't find that thing. There it is. New window. So I'm up $2,000 on this trade, dudes. Look. I'm up $2,680. Selling some. I'm flat. Nice. Oh, that's what I'm up total. 1,800. I was like, what? No fucking way. All right, now I'm closing this. Exit. So just there live, guys, I'm closing that platform. That last trade. So I went from 1,500 to 1,687 to 1,800. So I just made on that one 1,800 minus 1,687. I just made 113, and that first trade I made 175. I just made $288 trading nothing. Boxing it, buying the dip, selling the rip, because the trend's my friend. That's how it works, boys. Let's show you another beauty couple of research stocks that I got from last night. GTE. It's called Grand Tierra Energy at 23 cents. See it? GTE. There was a lot of them, but I had to pick out the ones that were, good enough and decent. Got a big, it's got a lot of them had good insider buying. So if they still believe in the company up here, I believe in it down there at 18 cents. Okay? So that's GTE, Grand Tierra Energy. Next one I picked was Apache Corporation. $4.02 on 2 million shares, volume up 117%. Apache. Right here, Apache. You got the 402. You got a bottom dip down here in that red for a nice filling up here. Stock used to be 20 bucks and 33 bucks. It's 4. Got a nice action right there. It doesn't matter what they're going to do in earnings. Nothing does. You're just playing it for what's the next hotness and trotness. It's 22 million traded. That's APA, Apache, at $4.02. The next one I picked was last night was Rose Hill Resources and Oil and Gas Exploration. Volumes up 1,195% at 31 cents. Rose. 44 million, which is a nice, nothing crazy big in the float. 80% owned by funds. It's got a nice little bottom base down here. Nice 1,000% increase in its in volume, which is beautiful, and that's Rose, ROSE. That's another beauty. So I'm throwing out some beauty picks out there. There's no code. I want a code on Twitter. No code. All right. Anyway, let's head back to the other picks that I got on my list. Tel. This is in a new industry. This is guys that's going to connect and increase the broadband for teleconferencing. These companies I have coming up next. Okay, this is the last one in exploration of oil and gas. It's 92 cents. I love it for a Heinz dollar, and it's traded 1.7 million. So the volume's beautiful. It's base down here. It's easily going to fill in, go to a dollar right there. I love this one. It's called, and it's increased earnings estimates for next year. TELL. Tel is the stock on that. Tel. Like I said, the next couple after that I have, after these gas, is the telecommunications and fiber optics. Synovius Energy I picked last night at $1.91 to go through Heinz 2. Increase of 29%. Bottom basing down here. I told you I had an industry that's going to go parabolic. This is pretty big, but it doesn't make a difference. And that's CVE. This is a bigger company. $1.91 for the Heinz 2. That'll for surely work. The next one I have right here. There's every one of these because it's going to work. Zion Gas, ZN, 22 cents, all with a 500% increase in its action right there. So you got right here a huge increase in everything action right there. A lot of insider buying, see? A lot of insider buying. Didn't really do much in that downturn, and ZN looks really, really good. ZN at 22 cents. The littler ones may not be as in big favor as some of the bigger ones going up, but they all tickled my fancy. Now we have the next couple of ones that are going to benefit from the corona. I think Groupon at 86 cents is going to take advantage of people that are staying at home with the mobile app for deals across industries for companies to sell their product. So Groupon at 86 cents is my stellar pick, and they even have an insider buy right there and a new CEO. So I really like Groupon right here at $1 to go through, and you know what Groupon does. So that's Groupon, GRPN. Really, really nice pick there on Groupon. Next one is the same one we played last week, back with WTRH, which delivers food and provides online ordering for delivery services in the United States. So they're going to deliver more than food, guys. They're going to deliver everything. So this is WTRH back at $1.13 for a really strong buy today. WTEH went to $4.40 on our last move. Everything's really great on WTRH. Absolutely one of my top 2 picks for today. WTRH, definitely putting that out there. What about LK? Isn't that Luckin Coffee? Not in my list. You could trade that. I got this other little one, guys, here. May make a move up in that 20-cent range. It's called Rumble On, RM. They operate an e-commerce platform facilitating for consumers and dealers for working online. I think we may get another internet boom here because everything's going to go internet. Everyone's online, increase subscriptions, increase this and that. Rumble On at 21 cents. Looks pretty hot to trot, guys. You don't got much risk. You got about 100% upside, and you got about 5% down, 10% downside. Risking 2 cents to make 20 cents. Ain't no bad deal on Rumble On. Then you got My Size, which is an Israeli-based company developing for women to try on clothes like online. So you have like an app and you can try on the clothes and it shows you what you're going to look like with the clothes on. That's going to be pretty hot at home because women are going to love to shop. I'm even shopping more. So I think My Size at $1.65 makes total sense. It's a tiny float, 2.6 million. It's got a history of going big from 622 to 11 right there. Up here at 4 at 68 cents down there. It's $1.65 right now. Definitely keep an eye on My Size. And this is not on any trade ideas scanner or nothing like that. Nothing's going to be going on with no stocks on no trade ideas. I never heard of this company before, but they're engaged in video and online commerce for industries in North America, Europe, and Asia. It's called Curate Retail. So it's like mail order direct and like shopping online, all that good stuff. Keep an eye on this. It's a higher priced one. It's $5.91 into a Heinz $6 move. Right here on that sucker. Down here at 3 low, 10 high, insider buy. It's a big company. It's not on the top of my list, but I like because they're engaged in video and online commerce. Okay, so I like the industry. I like the company. QRTEA. I never even heard of it before, but I like what I'm talking about with the industries that I'm currently going to show you. I think people, if they're going to buy a car, they're going to do it from cars.com and like buy and shop the car online and have it like delivered. It's going to be like a new thing. I don't want to go in and touch everybody freaking who didn't buy the car. They didn't buy it because they got the Corona. So there you go, $3.90 into a Heinz 4 insider buying up here. I think it's a steal down here. And that's cars.com, guys, CARS. That's another pretty one. That's easy for a Heinz 4. It's $3.97, up 7 cents right now. I love it. I love that one. That makes total sense, right? Aren't you glad that I do the research for you? What about Office Depot? Here's my move for Office Depot. Long-term hold, guys. What do you foresee on Office Depot? Do you see the vision that I do? Give me in the room. What do you see on Office Depot? YouTube also. What do you see? See if you see what I see. How you just look down the fairway, I look over the trees. I see something totally different on here than you do. What do you see on Office Depot, guys? They operate 1,307 office supply stores worldwide, brand name, everyone knows them. $1.58. Why is Office Depot on my list? Why? Look, 280s, down here. Why? What's my thinking? I'll show you I'm crazy, dude. What's my thinking on Office Depot? What do you think on YouTube? What do you think? Yeah, W, what do you think? Let me know and I'll let you know. How about you guys in the room? Buying office supplies and furniture to work at home? Yeah, it's a good guess. That's obvious, though. I'm not that obvious. That's what you'd look down the fairway and see. That's where you look at the green and you see it's flat, but I know where the undulations are. What do you see? No, not 3D printers. What do you see? No, not the new home offices. No. It's a close. It has something. It's bigger than that. Bigger than that. Look what Mojo sees. Close your eyes. Look through the trees. Picture your Office Depot. Now picture your Office Depot a month ago and 2 months ago. There ain't much difference. Office Depot ain't freaking, it's a huge store. No one ever goes there. So they're going to close down every store. And they're going to save in the rents and everything. They're going to go strictly online. And they're going to, everyone you buy an office supply for something, and they're going to get into other things. They sell the headsets. They sell printers. Ink is going to go all online. They're closing all the stores. And the company is going to go from $1.50 to $10. What do you think of that analysis? My thinking. What do you think of the ODP analysis? Huh? What do you think? Like the Chewy of the office world. Exactly, dude. Exactly, dude. What do you think of that? What do you think of my analysis on ODP? Am I on? You think I'm right about it, huh? You see what I see, Ryan? Aren't you glad you're on the team? Amazon needs to be shaken up.
Dude, you just nailed it. Oh, nailed it.
Bet ass somebody. So, dude, I'm the new they called me. They want me to be the CEO. But I told them I'm way too busy. Me and DT. You know DT and JT? They both called me last night. Donald Trump and Justin Thomas. Yeah, they're my friends, dude. Yeah. All right, so let's see. How do you think the oils are flying? So the next one on my list, guys, besides Office Depot, is this one. Okay? They manufacture firearms and revolvers and related accessories with guns. Because I think everyone's got to protect themselves. Because the robbers can't go to the stores, so the robbers are going to come try to rob your house. Right? There ain't no stores to rob, so what are they going to rob? They're going to rob you. You better get a damn gun and protect yourself. online bang bang. AOBC at 856, huge volume. Mojo's on the cusp of all these next wave picks. That's AOBC, boys. Get a gun. Better get a gun. Better buy a gun. Better get a gun. Here's my next one. It's called Genesis. They market high-intensity acoustical devices for security and customers because, dude, you need to have high acoustical security to protect your business from the high acoustic freaking robbers, dude. Look, volume up 92%. Cup and handle right here. Look at the cup and handle, the insider buy, the 93 RS on the relative strength. Look at that beautiful cup and handle right here. Holy compalones. Man, this company looks good. GNSS, you know what I'm saying on that one. Genesis, never heard of it, but dude, that's a Mojo winner right there. That was Genesis. You want to see the next huge winner? It's called Uma, dude, provides innovative communication solutions and connecting services to businesses and homes. Uma, dude. You're going to be Uma in the Muma because you need the connection, baby. You need the connection. Look at the growth rate of the Connect. At 1145, it's bigger, but it's a good trader. It's called the Uma. Dude, Mojo's got some good research. I told you, I couldn't hold back, dude. The next one is a huge winner. Huge. It's called Sanmin Technologies at 85 cents to go to $1. They design and manufacture water submersible mobile phones in hazardous environments worldwide. The mobile is going to be good. Everyone's going to go to their mobile now. Look at the volume spike. It's got a 1,200% increase in volume on a 20.6 million float. It's a huge one. No one has ever heard of this stock. Sanmin is going to do really good, dudes. Sanmin. Next one, TEUM, Paratium, provides mobility, mobile, and security cloud platforms for you to work securely from your phone and from home. At 38 cents, the stock looks rosy down here in Dungeon Land with a new CEO and everything in place for Paratium to move from 38 to 50 cents. Paratium. The last one I have right here, INDG. INSG, 158% increase, Heinz $7. They design 5G wireless PC cards, modems, and mobile hotspots for your products and your network. This is the future of the future, boys. 5G and working fast, getting what you want on a 96 relative strength, gapping right there. INSG. Crazy good on that one, dude. That's a day trading stock for today, INSG. Next one is the Aware. Design signal communications for biometrical, medical, digital, and imaging communications, AWRE. Another one, CLRO, manufactures audio conferencing systems and tabletop phones for businesses and education. CLRO, small volume, 44,000, but if this one trades today, it'll go up huge. It's got a tiny, tiny float, 16.6, beautiful. It's got 176 into a Heinz 2. It already made 2 spikes to 3. It's down here. It's got an 84, and it looks pretty good. It's called Clear One, CLRO. Every one of these picks is going to win. Every one of them. Sino Global Shippers, shipper at 34 cents, looks pretty good. This other ship, Sea Energy Marine Time at 14 cents, looks pretty good. I'm not going with them, though. USA Trucking, truckers back and forth across the land at 319 looks okay. And right here, Westport Fuel Systems to fuel the trucks and stuff at 82 cents. But those are really my ones that I put into the room that I really, really like today. And there you did the research for you guys. Look at these beautiful array of picks. Beautiful array. What do you think of that? Good morning. What you think of them? Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite, man? Which one's your favorite out there on YouTube? Which one's your favorite? You got a 9mm Glock on. I got a 5G 9mm silencer, scope, long range sniper rifle. I see them when they're coming around the block. So I got security sensors coming up my driveway. The lights come on. Nice. So look at this list of stocks I got here, guys. Change wise, we got IO at 257, up 121%. APA Apache up 16. Apache looks real nice, dude. Just made a spike on the Apache. The Rumble, my RMBL, look, 21 cent. Rumble. XOP, that's supposed to be XOM. XOM, baby. So yeah, man, look at these beauties. UMA, USAK, that's the trucker. I don't like the truckers. Maybe I'll leave them up there. That's INSG. Another couple of good ones on the list is this one, May. Not even coming up as a symbol. WBA, that's Walgreens. Took a dump. Yeah, they have too many stores. They got to close all their stores. Everyone thinks got to go online, dude. Everything's got to go online. They got to follow the weed industry, man. Small little pharmacy stores. Convenient, and they let people in like one at a time. Come in. You need the big drugs, you got to come in. You need the medium drugs, just order them online. You know what I'm saying? You like the best? Which ones you like the best? You like WTRH, USO, AOBC, and INSG, TEUM, and SONM. Okay? Alan, which one you like? Alan always picks out the big winner in there. Which ones you guys like out there on YouTube? Any? ODP? Like ODP. Absolutely. So that's it, guys. You're going to buy them all. Fallon's buying them all. It's the way to do it. Put $500 into every one of them. The ones that don't do anything and sit, if you don't have more money, cut them and put them into the winners. The other ones, let them ride and add on to the winners. All right, guys, it's 9:26 a.m. Mojo's been hot to trot this morning. I'm going downstairs, making myself another fresh pot of coffee. Got my sweat rag ready for the open. I'm not trading the open today, but I'm going to give you a beautiful recap today after the trading. Probably like after lunch, and we'll do some afternoon trading. I'll give you an update on everything I got going on and how we made money today, what stocks we traded, what we passed on, what swings worked, what didn't. And until then, peace. Keep it profitable. And guys, after my video, 2 other shows will pop up right there. And those happen to be yesterday's show and even another one, dude. So 2 to verify and testify. Not bragging, but I just do the same every day. I'm not bragging with the golf, But they asked me if I was a tour player yesterday. I just said I look like one. Makes me shoot better. So if I have everything here trading, my whole apparatus, my towel, my professional computer, my screen, and I feel like a professional trader, I'll probably trade really well. And if I don't, at least I'll look like it if I have a bad round or I lose. So that's how I trade. And I've gotten my game to be a scratch golfer. I've gotten my trading to be scratch where I'm making money every day. That's all that matters. Golf, you don't play for 9 hours, you play for 4. Trading, you don't trade for 9 hours, you trade for 1 or 2. Same exact thing. So subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you like my picks and you like my analysis on all the stocks and the stonks. So peace, keep it profitable, and I'll see you this afternoon on the next show. Later. Later.